A 21-member opposition delegation reached Manipur on Saturday. The opposition is in Manipur to assess the ground situation in the northeastern state, where ethnic violence has been raging for nearly 3 months. The delegation includes Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary and Gaurav Gogoi of the Congress, Sushmita Dev of the Trinamool, DMK's Kanimori, RJD's Manoj Kumar Jha, and JDU Chief Rajiv Ranjan Singh, among others. This is their first visit to the state since the formation of the opposition front India. The opposition leaders are on a 2-day visit. They landed in Imphal this afternoon. Reports said that they will take a chopper to Churachandpur, where they will meet the Kuki tribe leaders, civil society and women groups. Sources said that the delegation will also visit relief camps and meet the victims of violence before returning to Imphal, where they will meet the members of the Meitei community. The BJP has slammed the opposition MPs and reiterated the alleged crimes against women in Rajasthan and West Bengal. Congress's Gaurav Gogoi said that they are in Manipur to find out the truth and to put forward the truth before Parliament. The Manipur issue has led to a parliament logjam since the monsoon session convened this month, with the opposition MPs demanding a long discussion on it, as well as a statement from the Prime Minister in Parliament. But the centre has insisted that Home Minister Amit Shah will respond to the opposition. The government is set to face a no-confidence motion in the parliament brought by Congress. The Lok Sabha Speaker has accepted the motion but is yet to decide a date for the no-trust vote. The opposition delegation's visit to Manipur comes exactly a month after Congress leader Rahul Gandhi visited the state on 29th June. On the first day of his visit, his convoy was stopped and he flew in a helicopter to the violence-hit Churachandpur district from the state capital Imphal. The government of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, who has thus far refused to give in to demands of resignation, has decided to convene an assembly session at the end of this month or early August. At least 180 people have died and thousands have been displaced since the violence broke out on May 3rd in the northeastern state.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.